Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, I want to talk a little about some of the weird things that are happening in the energy right now. Because there is something going on right now that is knocking us out. And if we don't know what the energetic roots are for what we're feeling, sometimes it can make us feel a little crazy, a little like we're the only ones going through this. So this is something I wanted to talk about that's unusual to the energies we're moving through right now. And that is one of the heaviest energies in the collective right now is exhaustion. So if you have been feeling absolutely gassed, absolutely wiped out, the energies are playing a big part in that. So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, just so you know what to expect and how to move through it a little more easy. But before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that. So we are by now well into our ascension journey. If you have been part of the spiritual community, you know we've been talking constantly for about the past 5 years about how these rising planetary energies hit the body. And this was a huge topic about 3 or 4 years ago when the planetary energies started to kind of level out at a very high point and then start to grow again. And so now we are just used to the fact that the energies are always pummeling us. But there's something unusual that's happening in the energies right now. We are getting these spikes on the Schumann resonance. And when we see these big flashes and surges of planetary energy, whether it is what is going on the Schumann or what we are seeing from the solar energy, we know that it's going to hit our physical bodies. But one thing that's unusual that we are going through right now is that these energies are bringing so much light into the planet, which means so much light into our physical bodies that our bodies are getting a little scrambled. This is one of the things that they didn't tell us about the spiritual journey, is just how challenging it is to actually go from being dense carbon-based 3D humans to being fifth dimensional bodies of light. That's why we needed a whole dimension, the fourth dimension, as a buffer zone. But our teachers just really never focused on just how hard this is on the physical body to hold all this light that is pouring onto the planet. So what many of us are going through right now is extreme exhaustion. And this may be kind of your typical exhaustion, but this also can be in a lot of people an exhaustion that nothing seems to help. You may be getting the naps in the afternoon if you're lucky enough to have a schedule that lets you do that. Or you may notice that your sleep at night is changing, that you need a lot more of it, that you are waking up at weird times. The energies are playing a big role in how our bodies absorb the new energy. And so we're just noticing that for so many of us, the energies are kind of crashing our physical bodies. So this is something I've noticed over the past 2 weeks, just a deeper level of exhaustion than I've ever noticed before. And wasn't stressing out about it because I knew that the guide said that it had its roots in the energy, but it was very kind of interesting to notice how this completely is shutting so many of us down. So it's not your garden variety exhaustion that we're going through right now. And one of the reasons that this is happening is our bodies are struggling to upgrade. And this upgrade process, as the Pleiadians have told us over the years, is not going to be easy or gentle, or as we're finding, particularly comfortable. Now, some of the ways that you may be processing the energies that we're going through right now, we're seeing lots of those big white blasts on the Schumann scale if you are someone who follows the space weather. But some of the ways that I'm hearing this come up for people, in addition to just that exhaustion that no amount of sleep seems to help you with, some other things that people are describing a lot are feelings almost of panic in the body, like the body just doesn't know what to do with these energies. And so it can make us feel a little panicky, like there's a threat, but we don't know what it is. So that is common. A lot of people are reporting that. And I'm also hearing a lot of people talking about how they feel like they're being energetically attacked. Now, of course, we know as a collective, there's a lot flying around in the world around us, right? So people are throwing energy left and right as things get more intense in the lower timelines, but this can make a lot of us feel like we are under energetic attack. And of course, that is always a possibility, but this can also be kind of a side effect of these sky high energies. It's just one of the ways that our body tries to make sense of planetary energies that have never existed here before. It is just kind of scrambling our biology. So just wanted to chat a little bit about that because I have so many friends, so many clients who are reaching out in panic right now. People are really kind of at their wits' end in handling these energies. And so as always, we want to use our common sense, take care of our physical body. We don't want to just assume that things are energy. So always get yourself checked out by whatever healing professional you need to if the body is feeling weird or off. But it can be helpful for a lot of us to know that the energies might be kind of amping up whatever we're experiencing. So that's why I wanted to just chat a little bit about this because I'm hearing this from so many people right now that the energies are just whumping them. So that is what we have on our plate in the next couple of weeks energetically. I hope this does not hit you, but if you do, at least you will understand that it's a sign that we're being upgraded. It's just we weren't really prepared for how uncomfortable this 3D to 5D upgrade was really going to be. So that is what I've got for you in this week's POV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that. And if you want to learn all the amazing tools that the Pleiadians teach in these videos, just click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.